Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Now I will present a thesis title, but before we get to the presentation session, let me introduce Isna Nabila Purwatasari. I will be presenting the thesis title on flexural strength and permeability testing of porous concrete with aggregates, shallow pump, coarse aggregate by Rafikon Muhammad Gilman. I think that's enough of the introductory session. Let's move on the next session. Here it is. Today agenda. Introduction, implication, method, result, conclusion, and info. Introduction. In the world of construction, most materials use ingredients that are available in nature. For example, in the manufacture of concrete, the constituent material of concrete consists of cars, aggregate, cement, and water, according to SNA 7656 2012. For us, concrete is a mixture of Portland cement, quartz, aggregate, and water. Concrete is a mixture of concrete forming material base, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, cement and water in a specific ratio with or without additives. Concrete is an important part of construction and its use and application are very broad and general. Concrete is a highly variable material, the quality of which can be obtained with various mixed composition and manufacturing methods. Porous concrete is a construction that is generally composite of water, cement, and aggregate. Generally, the use of porous concrete is for parking lots, sidewalk, footpaths, tennis courts, garden, slope stabilization, swimming pool terraces, greenhouse floors, zoo area, road shoulders, drains, noise reduction, surface layer for highway pavement, permeable layer under pavement concrete, and road with low traffic volume. Implication: use of porous concrete. This research explored the use of porous concrete as an alternative for dealing with water runoff on road pavement. Porous concrete has the advantage of reducing waterlogging and improving drainage. Coarse aggregate size. The results show that the size of coarse aggregate 19 mm, 20 mm, and 9 mm affect the flexural strength and permeability of porous concrete. The selection of aggregate size should consider this factor. Design recommendation. The practical implication is that civil engineer and designer must take into account the size of quartz aggregate and the properties of porous concrete when designing efficient and durable road pavement. Method: this research used experimental method to study the mechanical properties of porous concrete with various variation in cement water factor. Result: 1. Characteristic of coarse aggregate. Based on the result in Fixture 1. It is found that the coarse aggregate, mainly cellophane coarse aggregate, meet the standard so that it can be used in this study. The test is carried out by specific gravity, the result of which are used in planning the mixture of concrete material. Fixture 2. Before mining the material for making beams, mix planning is carried out. Mix planning is carried out to fulfill to the proportion of each beam mixed material consisting of cement, water, and coarse aggregate based on SNE. This study planned a beam mixture of 9 test specimens, the need of each material. 3. Lectural testing is carried out using an ASTM C machine with two loading points. Flexural strength testing is shown to determine the ability of concrete blocks placed onto platform to withstand the force in the direction perpendicular to the axis of the test object, which is given to it until the test object is broken SNE. The maximum load value on the test object. 4. Factors affecting permeability are the main water factor of the porous concrete mix, environmental conditions, and the nature of the cement. Permeability testing can be done using water absorption absorption testing, starting with placing the sample in the middle, then filling the basket with 5 liters of water, then spilling water into the sample and calculating the time the water flow using a stopwatch. Conclusion. Based on the analysis and discussion research data that has been carried out, it can be concluded that the flexural strength value of porous concrete is smaller. Of for aggregate 19, test object 1, 4,9 kilonewton; for test object 2, 4,8 kilonewton; for test object 3, 6,2 kilonewton. For an aggregate of 20 specimens, specimen 1, 8,5 kilonewton; for specimen 2, 6,3 kilonewton; for specimen 3, 7,2 kilonewton. For coarse aggregate size 9, specimen 1, 8,3 kilonewton; specimen 2, 6,9 kilonewton; specimen 3, 9,6 kilonewton. For the result of the research that has been carried out, it can be seen that the average compressive strength value is small, so it is necessary to add chemicals to the concrete mixture. Improve further research can examine variation in the composition of porous concrete by scanning the proportion of quartz aggregate and binder cement. Then is there are aggregate size that is more efficient in dealing with water runoff, as well as checking the resistance of porous concrete to environmental factors such as change in temperature, humidity, and chemical or long-term exposure. That's all I have to say. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.